Video 843, let's fucking go! So, in Bomb Simp, which is the simple bomb simulation, we have this ticker function. This is the memory for our bombs and FATA, the base address of our bomb and FATA data in one dimension, the room index, the offset on the X and Y to the next piece of bomb and FATA data for the cluster of memory we're on, and then we have 8 bits of the red channel for the FATA data, the FATA type, active explosion or not. We have the bomb bits, we have the bomb type, and the bomb state. We're going to loop through every single room of our level pack, and we are going to extract the data pixel index for the cluster of FATA data and the data pixel index for the cluster of bomb data. Then we're going to loop in scanline order through that 64 by 64 cluster of bomb and FATA data. To get the FATA data, we need to extract the red channel of the FATA data, and the 4 most significant bits is the FATA type, but only the 2 most significant bits of that 4-bit number is the damage mask, whether or not we have an explosion that actually matters to the simulation. If we do, then FATA active explosion is true. Then down here, visit the bomb data. We want to get the 8 bits of the red channel of the bomb pixel, and then the 4 most significant bits of that is the bomb type, and then these 2 bits right here that are very close to least significant but are 2 off from that, this is the bomb state. And then to get to the next bomb and FATA, we need to offset by 1 to get to the next column. And then down here, we are going to the next row. So the bomb data is within a large 2048 by 2048 texture, so we have to offset by 2048 here. It's 2048, not 2048 times 4, because these indexes are pixel indexes. Data pixel index. This is the one-dimensional pixel address of our pixel. So it's the one-dimensional address of data pixel X, data pixel Y. Okay, and then down here, what we did previously, we have some diagrams kind of explaining how this works, and then what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You're on the fast playlist. Source code is here, ways of getting a hold of me. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game, side-scroller Bomberman with GoldenEye style proximity mines. Like and subscribe.